Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and select security. Then tap on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Click add the best one for you and enter it. Now just next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Over here you need to choose how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and tap on done. Now when I turn off my screen then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!